Hello, have you moved or do you want to add your company's contact details? It is possible to modify some of your contact information yourself on Delcamp. What you can modify: your email address, your password, your nickname, your address, your preferred site language. You can choose from 6 languages or set your time zone. To do this, click on your nickname at the top left of the site and choose in the first column the information you want to modify. For example, if I want to change the language of my account, I go to General Settings. I select the language I'm interested in. I click on Modify at the bottom of the page. A green banner confirms the change. Please note, not all of your contact details can be modified. Above all, we want to prevent a malicious person from taking over your account. For example, if you need to change professional contact details, you will need to contact our customer service, who will make the changes for you. Similarly, if you want to change details that do not change, such as your last name or your date of birth, this is not possible. You cannot transfer your account, not even to a family member. This is for everyone's security. If you wish to do so, the person will need to create their own account and you will need to close yours. Have a great day, everyone.